guys, Team Sims here, and today I'm going to be doing a custom Thomas the Tank Engine. So yeah, I have half of my supplies right here. And here's the Thomas I'll be transforming. Because this was from an RC remote control Thomas, and this is 2013 James. This chassis. And so, yeah, he's kind of going to look like something from the Railway series. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here's part of the chassis. I just did it in this Wipeout. And here's the chassis. All it just needs is a AA battery. And then I can see if this Thomas can run. But anyways, let's get to the part where we do his lamp. Okay, so this Thomas is going pretty good. I mean, I got the white splashes and the lamp, and all I just need is a light. Whew, this is hard work. But I want to figure out how to make the wheels blue. Alright, so here's my finished Thomas. Kind of looks neat, right? But the black wheels really could do some changes. But anyways, that's my Thomas, and I kind of like how the lamp came out. I wouldn't make it like the Thomas we saw in season 23, but now I decided to stick with making my own custom Thomas, so it can look like an actual E2. Or from the Railway series. If you don't know what the Railway series is, there's a little link in the description. And I might make some old thingy-majigs into Annie and Clarabelle, so this Thomas can pull them. So, okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on notifications and leave a comment. I love hearting all your comments. So, thank you all for watching, and goodbye.